Morning guys, it's January 31st, 2023. So never got a call from a guy I've worked for him a bunch of times, and I replaced the heating system for him a while back, a couple of years ago, and I guess he's got a baseboard heater that's got a little bleeder on it that's leaking and he can't get it to stop. So it sounds like it might be like a bleeder coupling or a bleeder elbow that's leaking, the cap. We'll probably have to drain the boiler down, and sometimes you can, if it's not cracked, if it's a brass cap, you can take it out and put some Teflon tape in there and make it like a little gasket for it. You could do that. What is it, Miss Molly? I got the heater on. I got the heater on, Miss Molly. So I did upgrade the mirrors. I put different mirrors on here. Put a rear view mirror that's adjustable so I can see in the back. Did that. Made my little coffee cup holder here with a brace in the back, because I tried it without the brace. It was shaking the coffee all over, but that's going to work out good for my coffee. It's nice and secure, right where I want it. I did wash the truck yesterday because it was 50 degrees out, and Thursday I'm bringing it in for the lettering. Today's Tuesday. Thursday I'm bringing it in. Hopefully it don't get too dirty. I did wash it good. I took it to the car wash, but it was hard to really get the muck off it, so I had to do it by hand yesterday. I don't know. Try to get you some shots when I get there.
You end up with a problem.
Yeah. Alright, we're going to drain the system down.
Yeah.
And then take it off and see what we got to do. You try tightening it?
I tried slugging it up, and no, I can't budge it.
Okay, yeah, we got to take it
I got a
off.
small fit.
Worst comes to worst, I could replace the whole thing, I mean. Alright, we're going to drain the system.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boiler's been good though, huh?
Oh, I have no problem. Between the boiler and the water.
And the storage tank we put in, that was better than that other thing.
Oh, that works.
That's the feeder.
No, that works much better.
I shut the boiler off. Where's the power for that?
Right there, right above you.
Yeah, shut that off, and we're just gonna drain some water out of it. We're gonna have to we're gonna have to purge it.
Yeah.
We got the purge zones here. We got one here and one over there. All right, so let's put it on a purge zone.
You want to run that into the toilet?
Yeah, we'll go into the toilet.
Okay.
And yeah, put it in, put the cover down so it don't pop out. If you can straighten that hose out for me,
yeah,
it would be good. I gotta drain it out after anyway. Straighten it out. Yeah, get it nice and straight. And then put it in the toilet. Lift the cover up, and then put the hose in it.
Yeah.
And put the cover down so it don't pop out on me.
Yeah, you don't want that to happen. Okay.
Yeah, I gotta drain it out after anyway, so.
Yeah.
I'll get the water off and I'll get the power off. Like I said, we're gonna purge it later.
Okay.
All right?
We're doing now, drain it out.
There might be a little bit of water in the pipe, but nothing. All right, we'll just leave it like that for now. Good.
There's quite a bit coming out.
Huh?
Coming out quite a bit. Slow down now.
Yeah, it should slow down. He was 77?
Yep.
That's still kind of young to be dying.
Yeah, but I mean, he abused himself.
Was
He
he?
was a heavy smoker. He drank a lot.
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't seem too tight to me, guy. But we're gonna take it out and fucking do something with it.
Well, I don't want to push it, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes those things they're not machine pieces, they're cast, and the casting can crack too damn easy.
Yeah, there's not much to them.
So I didn't want to screw around with it.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, there's a gasket in there, but
Yeah.
Usually you can do is just put some Teflon tape in there, roll it up like a ball, and make a new gasket. I might have a gasket for it. We'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do with that. I'm not sure yet. Usually I just take a piece of Teflon, roll it up, and boom, it's done.
Yeah.
You know, make my own gasket.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep, I know what you're saying.
You know, a little pad in there.
Yeah.
Thick pad, and then I should do it. A little piece of Teflon in there. You know, I just took a piece. I took about a 8-inch piece and just kind of rolled it up in there. You know.
Yep.
Made a little gasket
Like I said, I just didn't want to
out of Teflon.
I just didn't want to try to tighten it too much and break something.
Well, yeah. Then you got
a mess.
Then you got a shit show, right?
This way here, it's fixed, done.
If I do it,
No mess.
it should be fine now. We'll have to purge it and see if it leaks. So I've done this a bunch of times. It always seems to work.
I know there's quite a few of them around. There's those things in this house, you know?
Well, you know, there was no antifreeze in there, was there? Glycol?
No.
Because that will eat the rubber.
No, I didn't.
I mean, the rubber just gets old after a while.
I know that. I'm still working, huh?
Yeah, I mean, all that money you got, you don't need to work.
I don't do it for the money.
It's like me, I don't need to work, but I enjoy it.
Oh, I do it.
All right, so we'll hit this off. We'll shut this one off, too. Is that still in the toilet?
Yeah. Yep.
My feet are on. All right, so we're going up. We're going up through. We're gonna purge through this one. And we'll do that other one over there too. Probably only have to do one, but we'll do them both. It's under the seat, right? Yeah. I could feel it. I could feel it. Yeah, I mean, it's good to do something and keep you out of trouble, right? Keeps your mind occupied.
No doubt, no doubt. Well, because if you just sit in front of a TV and watch that thing all day and eat food,
drive the foot. You'll be the wife be driving you crazy, no? The joys of being married. Yeah, I still got the chickens. They stopped laying eggs on me, those little buggers.
They're not doing no eggs?
They're not laying eggs. It's, you know. Well, I'd have to run lights in there. They're not getting on. You need 14 hours of light for them to lay eggs.
Oh, okay.
So in the wintertime, you don't get enough light. If I ran lights, they'd lay eggs. Like in the coops, run lights on timers.
Yeah, yeah.
But I give them a break.
Hey, what'd you do? Get a new truck?
I had to.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, what happened was the other one, I couldn't get parts for it, and it was just like every 2 weeks the thing would break.
yeah.
The tranny was starting to slip. Now I gotta put a new fucking tranny in the thing. I mean,
That was a diesel truck.
yeah, there was too many problems with the diesels. As they get older,
Yeah, they are. They are people.
they're really a pain in the ass. So I got a gas one this time. This one's a little bigger,
Yeah,
but what so much better of a truck.
yeah, yeah.
I got a good deal on it. I saved $20,000.
So that's a good deal, yes.
Yeah, I bought it online,
Yeah.
and it was what I wanted. So
Oh, that's good.
it's a FedEx truck,
Oh, okay.
brand new. Go see if that thing's leaking.
What do you want to do?
Go over there and see if that's dripping. That repair I made.
Don't look it.
Should be fine.
Yeah.
Man, on my calibration.
I didn't want to get a big pair of pliers and really rail on it.
Oh no, because the gasket, I took it out and I made a new gasket for it.
I think it'll be okay. I knew it wasn't going to be that hard a job unless you had to change the whole thing.
Man of my calibration.
What?
Man of my calibration.
What?
I said the man of my calibration, no problem.
Yeah. No, I didn't think that was going to be a tough. I figured it was an easy job unless you had to change the whole thing. The only thing is, you know, I don't want to do the purging and all that crap.
No. That's fine. No big deal. I'll do it.
Now, you don't have to purge the second zone, do you?
Huh?
You don't have to purge the other zone, right?
I'm doing both, yeah, because I got those air in it.
Oh.
While I'm here, I mean, it's been a couple of years since I've done it, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So let's do it and make sure there's any air in
put
it.
some air in the system, because when it comes on,
This other zone, we probably don't need to do that, but we're not going to worry about that one, because we were higher than that zone anyway, so. Yeah, we put the new storage tank in old 2000, right?
Oh, wow, let's see, the boiler was put in 18.
I mean, I like them. You know, no complaints with that, right?
Oh, no, it gets plenty of water.
No complaints?
You never run out of hot water. If you do, you're doing something wrong.
Right. I got this open. That's open. It's open. Turn the boiler on. I'm just gonna drain my hose and I should be done.
Beautiful.
This thing's a little fucked up on this seat.
I gotta put new cast. That's why I got the other one over here. That's much better.
This one here, this one here is giving me problems. Like
ball bearings are falling out.
This thing's like my flipping ex-wife.
Well,
don't want to cooperate.
The ball bearings are falling out of the.
Is it?
The casters.
Okay.
That's why I tend to not use that one.
Yeah, throw it out.
No, I'll buy new casters. All the freaking year, she still wants you to pay more.
Yeah, right, so it's not leaking.
Yeah, it looks.
That was a little tech tip.
Yeah.
Easy, quick and easy.
Yeah, that was easy to do.
Lemon squeezy. Alright, so down the bottom down there, purge zones and fix cap. We did that in 418. Yeah. Yeah, them caster wheels are no good. You can get new caster wheels for that thing. You want it to, yeah. Might want to get something a little bigger.
Alright, get something a little better than that.
As long as there's the same footprint, you could re-bolt it on there.
This one here is a nice one as far as.
Oh yeah, the Craftsman, yeah.
It's a car thing, you know.
Alright, so we're all set.
Okay.
Molly. So that's a trick right there. A little piece of Teflon, 8 9 inches, and roll it up. Put it in there and then make a gasket. What is it, Miss Molly?